Understanding the phrase, source of pride, an English learning guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, source of pride. This phrase is common in English, and understanding it can add depth to your language skills. Let's dive in. Source of pride refers to a person, place, thing, or event that causes a strong feeling of pride. Pride here means a deep sense of satisfaction or pleasure derived from achievements, qualities, or possessions. For example, a student might say, "My academic achievements are a source of pride for my family." To grasp this phrase better, let's see it in action. Here are some examples. 1. My daughter, an accomplished musician, is a source of pride for me. 2. The community garden has become a source of pride for our neighborhood. 3. Completing the marathon was a personal source of pride. Notice how the phrase is used to express a sense of accomplishment or admiration. Understanding the context is crucial. This phrase is often used in personal reflections about achievements or qualities, when expressing admiration towards others, in speeches or writings to highlight achievements or positive qualities. In different cultures, the source of pride can vary widely. It's a phrase that reflects values and accomplishments deemed important in a society. For instance, academic success might be a significant source of pride in one culture, while artistic achievements could be more valued in another. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, source of pride. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the ideas and values they represent. We hope this video has been insightful and adds to your English learning journey. See you in the next session.